Kinalulungkot ko kasamang Larry, I really had to do this. It is with a heavy heart actually that I do this. Kaya lang masyado ng scandalous yung pagkasabi.
Nilinaw ni Attorney Ferdy Topacio na walang personalan ang pagsasampa niya ng kasong indirect contempt laban kay Larry Gadon, kaugnay ng mga mapanirang pahayag laban sa Korte Suprema.
Halata kasi na itong Supreme Court is just siding with Sarah. Ako nga, dinisbar ako for a much lesser offense. Samantalang si Sarah, katakot-takot na pagmumura, katakot-takot na pagbabanta, ng pagpatay, ang ginawa niya, hindi siya dinidisbar. So ang Supreme Court talaga, tuta ng Duterte.
Alam niyo po, kaibigan ko yung si Atty. Gadon. In fact, lagi kami nagko-concert yan. But kasamang Larry, I'm sorry, but this is no laughing matter. I am an officer of the court and as such, isang katungkulan ko na ipagtanggol ang karangalan at reputasyon ng ating kataas-taasang hukuman. So I'm sorry, I hope we can still be friends. Sa akin, this is nothing personal. This is part of my duties as an officer of the court. I had to do this. I hope you understand. Alam ko na kung ikaw ay abogado pa rin hanggang ngayon at ako ang gumawa nito, if the situation were reversed, you would have done the same thing. Sinabi niya, 3 beses sa kanyang panayam, ang Korte Suprema ay tuta ng mga Duterte. Siningil out pa niya ang punong mahistrado ng kataas-taasang hukuman at 3 beses niyang sinabi, I was scandalized to be candid sapagkat pagamat meron tayong freedom of expression and sometimes I have also criticized some decisions of the court, there should be boundaries. Pagka gano'n na pong masyadong vitriolic na at vituperative, masyadong maangas na at libelous na po yun eh hindi po natin maaaring palampasin. So, kinalulungkot ko kasamang Larry, I really had to do this. It is with a heavy heart actually that I do this. Kaya lang masyado ng scandalous yung pagkasabi.